Oh! Okay. Yo!
Pumalag ang pulisya sa may kiit na lehitimo ang operasyon dahil
Bro.
kinasa nito sa Iloilo at nakatutok si Kim Salinas ng
Okay, what's up guys? Pinso in today's video.
Sa operasyon kontra droga ng pulisya sa bayan ng Dueñas sa Iloilo, nadakip ang
Today we
lalaki
will
nito.
be using
Pero
a
habang
battle
tawag ang
basket.
suspect, may mahuhulog na puting
Or
pakete mula sa kamay ng isa
lang
sa mga
fighting?
pulis
I don't know.
na sinasabing sachet ng suspected shabu. Ang sachet, pinulot ng pulis at muling inilapit sa lalaki. Maririnig din ang suspect na may sinasabi sa pulis.
Ash!
Usap-usapan ngayon ang video na yan at umani ng mga katanungan kung ang naturang sachet ay planted. Itinanggi yan ng pulisya.
That's crazy.
Para maging miyembro ng Marine Corps. Naiuwi na ang kanyang mga labi sa kanilang probinsya sa Albay. Hinirig ng kanyang pamilya na magsagawa ng autopsy ang PNP.
A little spoiler, alright. The next video, I will go into a match in solo sport kits, which is Kalia and Jeff. I wanna see how many kills can I get with both kits. an ISO base fan also, bro. It's crazy. Who survived? No idea. Philippine Army. Why him? Ito ang liga. Oh! 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 I don't know what the hell am I saying. I'm singing sorry. My bro died. Easy what? Ali. I knew it. My bro was laggy. Bro, my dad's phone is laggy as fuck now. Liga. I am not saying the N word, alright? I'm saying Liga. Ga. Staying. Domino expansion. I'm gonna change my YouTube name after this, so yeah. We got a crazy bed. Defensive. Ayor. Oh no. My dude blocked in. My bro. Gimme. My bro. He is literally killing you. Why are you still standing there, my bro? You got a crazy bed defender. Bro. The bigger the bed is, the easier they can block in. But we still need a big bed defense. Because I don't know why. Bro. I think I'm the only one that can't like block in when breaking a bed. Not the whole bed works, okay? In like in my friends, okay? My friends. Oh, can we just get tier 2? Liam is not doing his job right, not gonna lie, bro. Bro should be. Why did I put that block? Damn, my fart smells bad as heck. Not gonna lie, bro. My fault. I don't know why I'm even saying that, bro. On camera, bro. A little spoiler again, bro. I'm gonna do a hunt on him. Ask for me to do that. No! My said it will be an easy RP because it's a bronze lobby. Finally, bro, somebody says I need iron. I am not the only one that has. I'm not talking about that, not the whole Bed Wars game. I'm not the only one that cannot block. Hey, bed, the bed. Easy. It's like my friend, okay, my friend. Who is killing my teammate? Hamdi, bro. Who's Hamdi? Who's the Wim? Okay, it's Hamdi. Oh, okay, time to get. Bro, I bet if I go to middle or anywhere except for my base, I'm gonna be cooked because people playing ranked are sweats. Alright, there is no level 1 player or any noobs in ranked that I've ever seen in my whole entire life. The Wim might shoot me because the Wim is literally right there. Oh! Hard to protect the bed with, yeah, you know. Word again. The process of the leaders is trash. Okay? Are you okay? I don't know. Why do I keep saying this when my brother just got circumcision? It was just like 2 days ago, and it still hurts. To my brother after he got circumcised. Are you okay? Oh nah, somebody just got kidnapped. I think because the news. Yeah. Bro, I just forgot about this part, bro. Kept. Bulbog. Pinakbit. Please sub. Hey, hey. W. My brother, somebody is shooting. Libangon mo. All. My bro try na Brax in. Why are y'all targeting us? What is my bro saying? Bro, why y'all targeting us? It didn't even did anything. Not gonna lie, bro. The fireball didn't did anything to my bad defense. So. There's no time. I don't know why the hell am I singing that. Just when I don't know why I don't know why I think my CPS is like fast as hell when I'm lagging. Wait, look at this. Look at that, bro. It's just yeah, bro. I didn't see this also complain about that. Oh no! Somebody is trying to break the bed, oh. But nothing did to it, oh. Oh, my leg hurts so bad. Okay. Gimme.
Para secure ang laman ng cellphone mo. Mawala man o manapurta. Yung paggamit natin ng strong passwords na hindi basta-basta mahuhulaan ng ibang tao. Pangalawang two-factor authenticator or two-factor authentication na kahit ma-access mo yung account mo ay hindi sila basta-basta makakapasok kung hindi ito link sa email mo o sa
Motor.
Maging mabusisi po tayo. Tawagan natin sila o tawagan natin kung sino mang kasama nila or malapit sa kanila to verify.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mark Salazar. Nakatutok 24 oras.
Okay. On that way, bro. I don't know. To. Ito na ako na dito eh.
Dito.
I know what you're trying to do. I know your tricks. What?
Tigilan mo na yung cellphone kayo naka pa nagsiselfone. Nasa cellphone mo. Hindi ka pa nagsiselfone eh. Mamaya na lang 8. Ha?
I'm still making. You can just break the border after I'm done, okay? Okay. Mayhems. I think. My bros. Hey, somebody's rushing. Oh, why me? This green guy. This green guy is ugly. They're so ugly. See, I made a door. A door. Abor. Salon. I got 5 M also, but I don't wanna lose. Bronze 4. Think that I've got. Okay, I'll just rebuild. What is my bro's aimbot? Okay, just kidding. I know how. Okay, I think I know now how to literally. You said come. I'm gonna rebuild. Subscribe to my channel. How are we gonna subscribe to your channel if you don't know your channel, man? Dude, stop spamming, bro. No, he's not gonna spam. He's never gonna spam. Get them for you. You need them. You got a spammer on your team. Bro, what did bro mean about a spammer on our team? We don't got no spammer on our team. We are literally hiding because of you, spammer. Okay, I'ma just break. Literally. No. You cannot tell me what to do. Literal. Literal. I'm trying to like cover the top. My bro already has. Oh no. Doctor Strange. Oops. Happy. I am the engineer, bro. I am the most professional engineer. Engineer. I swear to God, I know I'm gonna die first. Just kidding, I don't know. Yeah! You did nothing wrong. My dad is rat. I am a cockroach. Nightmare. Oh. Let me in. Let me. Oh no, they're coming to me, bro. Good thing I'm here. Dod. My God. My bro's aim is so good. I don't know how. But oh no, this useless. I'm just gonna fall already, bro. Don't even care.
Now we need to find a place to donate private. And Charlie might do flying lessons. So we're gonna have to convince him.
Also, bro got the head hunt.
Now I just need to find
He was the one.
So he told you about keeping on integrity of the Virgin River community insurance. It's nice idea. All the folks to the dance with the B&B and Nick investing in Jack's business. Protect out.
I hope you're not looking at me. My mom gets mad when I buy a pair of shoes. Can you imagine if I bought a farm? Plus, once I tell
Alright, so peace.